Ready? 5 seconds. Start. Sir, I would submit that the partnership firms, proprietary firms, private limited companies are nothing but glorified partnerships, and the act should be amended in such a manner that the small private companies are kept outside the purview of the department. Only then the government department can concentrate on the really larger violations where companies have started doing badly. But the balance sheet does not reflect that, with the result that more people start putting deposit and face difficulties later. There are investment companies about which the people do not know, and they do not know whether they have the approval of the Reserve Bank of India or not, and by the time the government machinery acts, a large number of people find themselves duped by these companies, and these companies cannot be stopped unless the company law department is vigilant. Next para. But I submit that the company law department cannot be vigilant in the present system, because the present system is conducive to the harassment of the small man, and I find nothing in this amending bill which either disciplines these companies or stops the harassment of the small men or encourages the medium entrepreneur. Therefore, this bill should be rejected, and my submission to the minister through you is that if now this is referred to a select committee, at least all those of us who are interested in it can give specific suggestions. The objective is quite clear. The government wants to rationalize the whole things. The government wants to make the Companies Act effective, and the social objectives of the government are shared by all of us, and there is no dispute about it. But look at the provision regarding abridging the balance sheet, giving less information to the shareholders on the accounts. Why should the annual report contain, according to this bill, information on conservation of energy and technology observations? Are small investors interested in this subject at all now? Will he even understand it? It is highly technical. I am sorry, I have been in business for a long time, and technology absorption is something which I have not been able to absorb at all. So, I do not know how a layman will understand that. With this kind of contradiction, I think this bill is a typical bureaucratic bill which only encourages more paperwork. It is good for the bureaucracy and the government. Stop.